Alright everybody, here's the next machine to be parted out. Got ourselves a 2011 Arctic Cat M8 Snow Pro. Got the shorty seat on here. It is a 153. Not too bad condition overall. Does have some damage to the front here. Got a busted front bumper, cracked hood in this area, which actually is pretty common on these hoods. And this side of the belly pan is kind of pushed back. I don't know if you can tell right here, this side panel is kind of bubbled out. The belly pan is pushed back from the front there. We've got a crack in this belly pan on this side, and this belly pan is pushed back. So, but yeah, looks like it's stock pipe under the hood. Does have an aftermarket can on there, maybe an NBRP or something like that. But this machine does run. I did start it. It was running kind of rough, so I shut her down. I don't know the history, so I don't know if something happened to it or not, but we'll take it apart and inspect. And maybe there's something going on with the clutch too yet. I'm not sure, but we'll pull it apart, inspect it. It's got 2,000 or 3,000 miles. I'll verify in the item description on the miles. But it's a 153. It's got the power claw. It's got a tunnel rack on there. Classy snow flap. You know, the whole works here. So any parts for an M series Arctic Cat, let me know. Link will be in the description for the parts. Thanks for watching.